Good morning students and welcome for your maths lecture. Students, as you all know that in the previous lecture we have completed with the chapter number 1, that is Roman numerals, and in today's lecture we are going to begin with the next chapter, that is chapter number 2, number work. So everybody should pay attention. Open your combined book number 1, maths textbook and notebook and pencils in your hand, and be ready as I am explaining you all the chapter number 2. Now students, today we are going to begin with the second chapter, that is number work. Okay, in the previous lecture we have studied about Roman numerals. Now in today's lecture we are going to start with a new chapter, that is chapter number 2, number work. Before I proceed further, I want that everybody should open their maths textbook and combined book number 1 and maths notebook, 200 pages notebook, and pay attention to whatever I am explaining now. Okay, so now let us begin with the chapter number 2, that is number work. Okay. You have learned to read and write numbers in the decimal system using the 10 digits from 0 to 9. Now you have learned to read and write. What you have learned to read and write the numbers in the decimal system, that is in the point system, decimal system, using the 10 digits from 0 to 9. Okay, on that basis we will do the revision. Okay, revision, that is of problem set 2. Revision we are going to do of problem set 2. So this problem set 2 which we are going to solve, this is all basically depended on the revision that which you all have studied in the 4th standard. Okay, now let us begin with problem set 2. Now students, in problem set 2, the first question is that using the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, write 10 each of 2, 3, 4 and 5 digit numbers and read the numbers. Now what you are supposed to do, they have given the single digits numbers from 0 to 9. Okay, by using the single digit numbers, you have to make 2 digit numbers, 3 digit numbers, 4 digit numbers and 5 digit numbers, and you have to read those numbers. ये जो सिंगल डिजिट नंबर्स दिए हैं ना, ये नंबर्स को यूज़ करके आपको 2 डिजिट नंबर्स बनाना है, 3 डिजिट बनाना है, 4 डिजिट बनाना है, 5 डिजिट बनाना है. Okay, and after making those up till 5 digit numbers, you have to read the numbers. Clear? So now let us solve this question number 1. Now students, in your maths notebook you will write like this, that is problem set 2, question number 1, and in that first you will write all the single digit numbers. Okay, now first how many digit numbers they want? First they want 2 digit numbers. So first we'll write 2 digit numbers. Okay, and how many 2 digit numbers they want? 10 numbers. They want total 10 numbers. So we'll start making the numbers. So from this you can pick any numbers. For example, first I'll write 10. Then I'll write 24. 10, 1, 0, 10, then 2, 4, 24. Any which ways numbers you can pick and you can write. Then I will write 37. Then I will write 45, 56, 69, 78, okay, 83, 91 and 99. So I have got total 10 numbers of 2 digit. Now we are supposed to read and write those numbers. So now we are 2 digit numbers. So this is 10, that is equal to 10. So you have to read and write it like this. 20, 24. Okay, then is 30, 37. Okay, next is 40. That is 45. Okay, next is 56. Next is 6 and 9, that is 69. Okay, next is 78. Okay, here. Next is 83. Okay, next is 91, and the last one is 99. Okay, so clear how I have made this 2-digit numbers. Okay, now we have completed with 2-digit numbers. Now with how many digits? It is 3-digit numbers. Now students will write the 3-digit numbers. Now this 3-digit numbers again you will make from those single digit numbers. So first I will make it as 102 or 102, then is 2 3 4. Now here it is 3-digit. Okay, 1 2 and 3-digit numbers. Before we studied 2-digit numbers. So 102, 234, 319. आप आपके हिसाब से भी 3-digit नंबर्स बना सकते हैं. ऐसा ज़रूरी नहीं है कि जो टीचर लिख रही है वैसे ही लिखना है. आपको बस वो सिंगल डिजिट में से ही लेना है. इज दैट क्लियर? देन इज 827, 895, 946 and 961. Now we have written total 10 numbers which were required. Now let us write them, read and write them in words. Okay, first one is 102. So you will write it as 102. Clear? Second one is 234. So you will write it as 234. Next is 319. So 319. Okay. Next is 458. 458. 458. Okay. Next is 670. 675. Okay, next is 783. So you have to read the numbers and you have to write them in the words. Okay, next is 800. 827. Okay, next is 895. Then is 946. Okay, and the last one is 961. Clear everybody? So how you are supposed to write the 3-digit numbers? Okay. Now students, we finished with 2-digit numbers and 3-digit numbers. अभी जो single digit numbers है उसमें से 4-digit numbers भी बनाना है. Okay, so I'll make the 10 4-digit numbers. Okay, so first I'll make it as 1000. This is 1 2 3 and 4 4-digit numbers. Then is 2 1 3 4. Any 4-digit numbers you can write it. Then is 3 5 6 7. Okay, then is 4509. Next is 5718. Okay, 7296. Then is 8245. Then is 9053, 9876 and 9999. So students, here I have written the 10 4-digit numbers. Now let us read those numbers and let us write them in the words. Okay. Now students, here the first number is 1 and 3 times 0. So that is 1000. So we'll write it as 1000. Clear? Okay. The second number is 2134. That is, this is units, tens, hundreds and thousands. So 2134. So we'll write it as 2134. Okay, 2134. Second, 3 is at thousands place. So 3567. 3567. Okay, next 4509. There is nothing at tens place. We'll write 500 and directly units place. So 509. Clear? Next is 5000. 5780. Okay, next number is 7000. 7296 and 96. Okay, then is here it is 8000. 245. Okay, next is 9000. There is nothing at hundreds place. We will leave the 100 place and you will write directly 50. 9053. Okay, next 9876. Okay, the last one is 9999. Okay, 9999. So students, in this way you are supposed to write the 4-digit numbers. Clear? Now students, 5-digit numbers I want that you all should do it on your own. 5-digit numbers जो है वो आप बना लो. सिंगल डिजिट में से 5 नंबर्स लेके सिंगल डिजिट के हर एक डिजिट का 5 नंबर्स बनाना है और वो 5 नंबर्स को आपको रीड करके वर्ड्स में लिखना है. So I want that 5-digit numbers you have to make it on your own. So that is the homework. Now students, in your textbook on page number 3, question number 2, that is fill in the blanks in the table below. So you have to fill in the blanks. Devanagari numerals. Devanagari numerals means in Marathi. International numerals means in English. And numbers written in words. So you have to fill in this blanks. Okay, so they have given in Marathi, then in English, and then they have written in words. So similarly, you have to write over here. So now this is 3 and 2, that is 32. Okay, so we'll write here 32. Okay, then is 7 5 6 comma 7 5 6. Okay, so the number is 32,756. So we'll write here. I'm writing solving here only, but you have to write this in your combined book as well as in your maths notebook. That is 32,756 Clear everybody? 32,756. Now the third one they have given only in international. You have to write in Marathi first. So 6 you will first write in Marathi. This is in Marathi. Then 7 comma, because there is a comma, then you will write 8. Okay, then is 5 and then is 9. Clear how you are supposed to write in Marathi? Now you will write in words. That is 67,800 859. Clear? Third one. Okay, fourth one they are given in Marathi. First let us write in international. 1. This is 1 comma 034. So that is 1034. There is nothing at hundreds place. It's 0. So we'll write 1034. That is 1034. Okay. Now they have given here only in words. You have to write in Marathi as well as in English. So first is 27,000. So first we will write in English. That is 27,800. Here comma. So we will give here comma. Then is 895. 895. You all got in English. Now you will write in Marathi. 2. So 2 7 comma 8 9 5. Clear how you are supposed to write? So in this way you are supposed to solve this second question, and I want that everybody should complete this. Whatever I am explaining or whatever homework I am giving, all these questions you are supposed to write it in your maths notebook as well as in your combined book number 1. Clear? Now students, on the same page number 3, question number 3, that is, as a part of the Avoid Plastic project, Jilla Parishad schools made and provided paper bags to provision stores and green grocers. Read the taluka wise numbers of the bags and write the numbers in words. Now what they have told here, that as a part of Avoid Plastic project, there was a Avoid Plastic project. As a part of it, जिला परिषद schools made and provided paper bags. तो जिला परिषद स्कूल ने क्या किया, वो प्रोजेक्ट के लिए पेपर बैग्स बनाए और उन्होंने स्टोर्स और ग्रीन ग्रोसर्स में प्रोवाइड किए. तो उन्होंने दिया है कि तालुका वाइज कितने बैग्स उन्होंने बनाए हैं, और वो जो नंबर दिया है वो हमें क्या करना है, वर्ड्स में लिखना है. सो राइट द नंबर्स इन words. So first they have given Kopargaon, that is 12,740, Shevgaon, that is 28,095, Karzat, that is 31,608, and Sangamner, that is 10,972. Okay, so in this question students, you are supposed to write them in the words. Now see how you are supposed to solve it. This is Kopargaon. they have given 12,740. So you have to read and write. So that is, you have to write in words, that is 12,740. Okay, next is Shevgaon, that is 28,095. So you have to write them in words, that is 28,095. Okay, next is Karzat. Karzat is 31,608. So you have to write 31,608 in words. And then next is Sangamner, that is 10,972. So you have to write 10,972 like this in words. Is that clear? So students, I have explained you all in problem set 2, question number 1, 2 and 3, and whatever homework part is that you have to complete it, and all these 3 questions you are supposed to complete it in your maths notebook, 200 pages notebook, as well as in your combined book number 1. Clear? This is the homework for you all. The further part of this chapter I will explain you all in the next lecture. Thank you.